What I'm doing right now is just trying to see if I've got enough speed to get up and over and onto the downside of that being accurate. Don't want to be at the top, and I certainly don't want to be at the bottom. Okay, well, I think that is going to be somewhere around it. Surprisingly enough, you only need to be going around about 35 miles an hour for that first jump. So a lot of people think it's not fast enough, but you gives you height and distance just by keeping the throttle on the takeoff ramp. That's what it's done. Now this bike is about 170 kilos, so it's a fair bit of metal trying to get up into the air. A lot of weight to fly up there, that's for sure, but we're going to try and have a go at it for you right now, folks, so if you can, let me know. Are you ready? Okay, make some noise if you want to see one more. Seem to go without too much of a problem. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you want to see us jump bigger? Unfortunately, okay, we're going to back up the truck a little bit. Bit more interesting for you guys.
Bigger. I want you to jump with the slide.
Okay, Vic's going to make sure we've got enough run down area. Just around there, like doing.
I want to jump.
Bigger gap than was expected. I'm going to take out the jump to the side because that's the way I like to do it.
Let's say if you're sorry if you didn't get it.
Okay. Now we're going to put on the bike again. A lot of people always say, why do we always stop the bike right where I am now? And the reason is, I want to get a nice solid second gear. I don't want to hit any false neutral, so we always stop the bike, make sure we get a nice good second gear. The gear that I always like to jump in. So folks, we're going to get that gear right now. We've gathered out a little bit for you, made it a bit more interesting, so let me hear you one more time. Are you ready? Okay, we can do one more if you want it. Well, do you want to see us go even bigger? Okay, we're going to do it one more time, Rita. Just got a little bit of space here to do just a tad more for you. The safety is unbelievably strict, so we're just going to back up a little bit more. We're trying to not get the lower to spin up. That'll do you right there. Let's gap it out to a reasonable gap, I think. We're going to go and check it out. What we're looking at from this side of the arena. It's a reasonable distance on the quad bike. Look at this bike, is like I said earlier, 170 kilos, so it's a fair old lump of metal to get up and over and onto the downside. That's where we want to be, if we can.
Can you see your cage?
I reckon this time it's going to be around about 43 miles an hour on this one. I'm going to hit it for this gap pretty much flat out on the takeoff ramp in second gear. That's what we're going to have to do, I think. Get us up and over and down safely on the other side. Okay, folks, you know the rules by now and the procedure that we go through. Make sure that the lanyard is securely on, get the gloves nice and comfy, get the bike into second gear. Let me know, are you ready? you go. We're going to keep it going. If you want to see some more of the same, let me hear some noise.
It's not that far to drop, is it?
Okay, we can do one more. Keep the noise going if you want to see some more of the same.
I missed out on the whole stroke. Amy, shut up, you.
Okay, I think we're good for one last jump,
A hairy beast. Ah!
A little bit under that time. I'm going to do one more for you. One more time.